Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C30 Pro Sports Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to try and explore the world of dials for the C30 Pro Smartwatch. So this wearable is already preloaded with watch faces, and you can download additional watch faces or dials on the support app, the HRY Find applications. As you can see here, we have a section for My Dial, Dial Mall, and the DIY dial. So this one is the custom dial. So we will explore these two features here for the C30 Pro. So if you are interested to see what are the additional or the available watch face or dial for your C30 Pro, if you are planning to get this smartwatch, watch this video. And again, please support our YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin. Let's check first the additional watch face for the C30 Pro. So we have here the watch face. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again, seems like we only have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we only have 4 dials or watch faces on our C30 Pro. Okay, again, let's see if we can download an additional dial for our smartwatch. Seems like the list or the preloaded watch faces here is only 4, okay, dials. So that is disappointing. But anyway, let's download an additional watch face. So we do have here new product listing. You have two sections, new product listing and recommend. So let's explore. Some are free, some are for sale. Okay, let's explore the list of dials. I like this one. Okay, we will download this later on. Okay, this is also cute. More watch faces. Seems like we do have a good list of watch faces. The only thing is, some of the nice or cool looking watch faces is for sale. It's not free. More watch faces on the bottom part. We have Christmas theme here. Seems like it's endless. Let's see. Okay, new product listing. As you can see, we do have a very comprehensive list of watch faces, which is very good for the C30 Pro smartwatch. Although some are for sale. Let's look for a free. Okay, we'll try this one. The Angry Bird or Whole Bird. Tap on this one. So it's free. Download. Use immediately. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. As you can see here, our smartwatch automatically switched to download mode. 58%, 60. We're almost finished. And we're done. Okay, nice. Very bright. Okay, let's see if it has been added to our list or did it overwrite our previous watch face. Let's see. Let's go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have at least 5 watch face here. Okay, previously it was just 4. It is just 4. Let's add another one. Let's see if we can make it 6. Let's look for other designs here. This one, it's free. Downloads, use immediately. Solid color minimalist. Remember, we already have 5 here. 4 preloaded and 1 additional or newly downloaded dials. So let's wait with this one. Let's see if we can have at least 6. Finish. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can only have, or you can only add 1 watch face at a time. Our previously downloaded watch face has been overwritten by a new downloaded watch face. Okay, so if you are asking whether you can store several watch faces on the smartwatch, unfortunately you can only download 1 watch face at a time. DIY dial. Let's explore this one. Select picture. Let's pick this one. Check. Completed. Again, select picture. Check. Go back. Did not change. Again, maybe we missed something. Okay, completed. Okay, then adjust. Check. We have here our watch face. Change the color. Let's make the text dark. Done. Then check. Save and use. So the data here are pedometer and date. Maybe let's change to heart rate. Then save and use. It's now uploading it to our smartwatch. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. And in just a few seconds, we will have our new dial or watch face. And we have it here. Nice looking flower here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have at least 6 watch faces. So 1 for the pre-made or the available watch faces in the dial mall, and 1 for the watch face or DIY watch face, custom watch face. So meaning you can have at least 6 watch faces for the smartwatch. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the preloaded watch faces. We downloaded this from Dial Mall. 5, and this is the again, and this is the custom watch face. 6. So we have at least 6 watch faces. 1 downloaded for additional 2, and 1 DIY dial or watch face. So that's it for the watch face feature or the dial feature of the C30 Pro smartwatch. Hopefully we have answered your queries regarding the watch faces. Okay, so if you are curious to see what are the available watch faces for the C30 Pro and how many can you download, as you can see, we already demoed the dials. So if you have any questions, if you have special requests, drop a comment below. And again, please support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.